good? Are we Gucci? Are we fucking Gucci or what? Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Okay, we are fucking Gucci. Oh my god! Oh my god! God damn! What a fucking trade! God damn! Ba-bing! All the way to roll that bitch up here perfectly. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Let me get myself acquainted before we start yapping about this, right? Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Let's get a link for this thing, shall we? Goddamn. Okay, okay. Get the chat loaded, okay. I'm just fucking yapping, right? Boom, 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 boom. Amazing. Okay, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Math is the Maya. Goddamn. Yeah, where do we fucking start, right? Like, pause the music. Pause the fucking music, right? Pause the music. Switch this goddamn overlay. What did we talk about yesterday, right? Cause yeah, if we're gonna defend these longs, we gotta hold the 110-6, right? If this gets lost, these people are all gonna like, melt down. Probably like a waterfall down nuke pretty quick. Especially given the fact that this is like all single prints on like low volume in this region. Agree? Agree, disagree? We'll kind of say bullish retest of 110.6k. Yeah, if we're gonna defend these, right? God damn. Got the thing right here. Right at the 382 swing fail, pink. And grab a single print on CME perfect when it did that thing. And depending on your tick size, it grabbed it here too. So, yeah, potential juicer trade right there if you missed on it. Right? Right or not right? What else do we talk about? Oh, we closed the thing. Where's the history tab? God damn. God damn. Oh, nice. Amazing. Who remembers this, right? About the blue lines. This was from when? May 20th. If you know, you fucking know, right? See the price just pixel fuck that shit? How? Hacks. It's cheating. What do we say? A couple months from now, we'll see the price just pixel fuck that shit? How? Hacks. Oh my god. Guys, I'm literally laughing at this point. Honestly, laughing. These blue fucking lines, right? Okay, if you want to see when we set these things, go watch that clip from fucking May. Goddamn. Goddamn. What? 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 Oh my god. Tell me it's not math. Someone tell me it's not math. Tell me it's not math. I dare you, please. Fucking actually comedy. Oh my god. What a fucking day though, right? Let me just put the music back on because god damn, what a day. That candle on the 5-minute? Oh my god. Oh my god. That candle on the 5-minute. My PNL, my trade almost doubled. It cleared the whole zone. Look at this. It cleared the whole fucking zone. Like, all my TPs were here. Look at this fucking trade. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. That is fucking juice. Start to finish. Boy. Boy. Oh my god. God damn. Shout out to the match. Shout out to the juice. Shout out to the planning. God damn. God damn. From the bottom to the top, talk about this shit. Nothing caught us off guard. Boy, this game is too fucking easy. Oh my god. Oh my god. God damn, can't even contain myself, god damn. And we got on the short, by the way, right? If you've seen that. Like fucking work, man. Oh my god. God damn. God damn. Fucking rookie, you're doing shit like this? What? God damn, I'm about to be the fucking MVP. That's fucking what? God damn, who's doing it like that? God damn. I am fucking feeling myself right now. God damn. God damn. That shit is realized, boy. Put that in the motherfucking bank account. God damn. That candle. I was on the treadmill. No, I was doing I was on a bike. I had my phone sitting there with the exchange open, and I'm just sitting here looking at this shit. And out of nowhere, yeah, massive fucking green dildo. All my TPs got hit. I had a shit ton here. That was unfucking believable. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, man. God fucking damn, what a day. And we're also getting like a nuke right now, right? The indexes are nuking. It's still holding up pretty well, actually. Just brushing it off? Doesn't give a fuck or what? Or what? Oh yeah, we also got some of the TP set on our ETH, right? Boom, 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 boom. And I market smashed the Solana position. I market smashed a bunch actually, but they're not particularly large because like I don't want to like obviously risk a shit ton just market smashing in the middle of a breakout. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, whoops. So yeah, got more hit on the ETH. And then yeah, these are all the ones that market smash. I already like shaved on them, so at this point whatever happens kinda happens. Stop loss is covered and all those bitches. God damn, god damn. Harris Kamal, hello. Hello, Harris Kamal. God damn. God damn. What a fucking day. Okay, I gotta put some music on and get some food because I'm starving. But god damn, what a day! What a burst of energy that was. God damn, god damn. What should we leave it on? Here.
Numbers, it's me, Marcos. You over there just pressing and praying. I'm over here just stacking and playing. You call it magic, I call it playing. I don't guess I understand. You trade feelings, I trade flow. You swing wild, I go slow. You chase pumps, I let them go. Then hit my level, take that glow. Charts said dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing around with price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. She said, how you know when to go? I said, girl, the chart said so. She moved like price, that fib just hit. I swing that trade, then grip them hips. Golden pocket, that's her pace. Stop loss tight, no time to waste. Risk real light, reward insane. She ride my math, I ride the wave. Chart to dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing around with price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stacks. Math too smooth, now throw it back. Numbers don't lie, they just lead. Follow that line, then plant the seed. Risk it all, now I let it breathe. Now price hits sweet like summer breeze. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing around with price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. No stress, no cap, just charts, beats, and math. Marcos.
Yeah,
Marcos trains.
yeah. They study in the players, but the math too clean. Let's go. They envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got that sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Nah, they moving with fear, I move with will. Facts, I'm floating above them, that VWAP thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. Press it. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. Whoop it. Their team look shook, I just broke they shield. Broke it. Market makers mad, they can't touch the plan. I lay down fields like a beach with sand. Big orders led from the top to the land. They clicking in fear, I type with one hand. Extensions long like the clip on the stick. 7/8 tapped, then the profit came quick. They plot on my downfall, still I uplift. They tryna front run, but I'm running the script. Ready to fill, yeah. I'm deep in the charts, got the sniper skill. Scope. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Post it. They moving with feel. I move with
Okay.
will.
Okay. God damn, DJ Marcos. Okay.
Trap they stops, then I press for the kill. Press. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. Their team look shook,
Oh
I
my
just broke their
god.
shield.
I cannot get over this candle.
Math hit me like a
Do you
bandit
guys know how
swing.
fucking insane it was to watch this shit?
Reload clips, but I reload brains, 'cause the fucking raw got 'em stuck in pain. Spoof they orders, make 'em think it's
Oh
real.
my
With size,
god.
they beg for a deal. They don't want smoke, they just want a deal. But Marco's cooking for
Oh
labor
my
still.
god, this
Empty the
candle.
field. I'm deep in the charts.
I,
got
like-
sniper skill. I don't
Oh
chase
my
no hype,
gosh.
I just sit and chill. Nah, they moving with feel.
That was like a
I
fucking
move with
balloon
will.
popped, right?
I'm floating
All my
above
DPs
them,
got
that
spanked
VWAP
too. Just
thrill. I trap they stops, then I
Oh
press for
my
the kill.
gosh.
They draw fake zones, I bend the
This shit's
field.
got me laughing, I
They team
swear.
look shook, I just broke
What
their
a
shield.
fucking day, what a candle that was. Oh my gosh. Oh. Shout out to the blue line too, right? Oh, shout out to the imaginary blue lines. I'm actually, guys, I almost have tears in my eyes right now. Oh my god, what a day. my god. Can't make this shit up. You actually can't make this shit up. Like, can someone explain this to me? But these lines on our chart literally months ago, it's imaginary blue fucking lines. Bing, 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 bing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Tommy's not mad. Tommy's not mad. I dare you. I swear to God, I dare you. Oh my gosh. What a day. Oh. I cannot stop laughing. You already know I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed today. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Row 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. I'm getting mowed my lawn too. Talk to my parents. God damn. Got the estate looking clean. Family blessed. You already fucking know. Signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you trend so mean. And you bounce like you know what the market means. Back test my love, it's proven stats. You read my mood like you read those graphs. I don't fake breaks, I stay legit. You don't get caught, you time to dip. You my zone, my setup clean. Scaling slow, then let it steam. Pull me in with that deep precision. Your body's math and I trust the vision. I drop it low, low on the golden pocket. White coast backs fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. A pause 16, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in the golden pocket, yeah. You don't chase highs, you wait to give. You don't short love, you let it live. We trade and sync, we move with grace. Golden pocket, our favorite place. Goddamn, goddamn. Should probably stay focused, yeah? Kind of see what's going on in the data right now. Because some of that trade is still running. I might be getting stopped with other shorts. Although I'm pretty flexible with my stop, already shaved half, so. Looking pretty strong given all this recent shit that's happening, right? How are the alts looking? Same kind of story. So shout out to this white bonk line, right? Remember when we put this shit fucking way back? Ever since then, bing. Like honestly, honest. Oh my god. Guys, I'm giving out the fucking script at this point. Like, what more do you fucking need? Like, god damn. Got in the trade right fucking there. On this fucking white line. Oh my gosh. I swear this game is too fucking easy, right? Like, can't be this fucking easy. Oh. Shout out to them imaginary lines. Shout out to the map. Try to update our levels too. Things are way down here, god damn. What a fucking day. I can't even tell where this thing is. Where is it? Is anybody else juicing? Like, it's just me? Like, god damn. Everyone should be juicing the fuck up today right now, right? It got to the point I was just market smashing entries. Didn't even give a fuck, right? Didn't have to look at the chart at that point. Just get me in that bitch and go later. You're going crazy? A fucking course. Are you fucking kidding me? God damn, I'm putting on a fucking clinic. Of course I'm going fucking crazy. You fucking kidding me? Sitting here hitting 360 fucking no scopes on the stock market. What the fuck you think? God damn. Shout out to the math. But today was such a what a crazy day, right? This candle was so fucking ridiculous. So fucking crazy. Like, when's the last time we've seen like a $2,000 5-minute candle? More than that. Almost 3,000. Like, I don't even know how far we're gonna have to go back to find that. I can't even be bothered right now, but like, it must have been a while. And all my TPs are in here. That's the funniest thing, right? Not only you get this massive fucking candle, but all my TPs are in this candle, getting hit at the same fucking time. Ding, 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 ding. My trade literally doubled in fucking realized P&L in 5 minutes. A trade that I've had running for a fucking month straight, basically. Well, not that long, but like since the lows. And it started off with like the short, right? It's been a while. This thing's been cooking for a while. And to end like that? So fucking ridiculous. Imagine we just like fucking blast up way higher. It's possible, right? We can definitely keep going, especially with how we're looking. Especially given this, right? Like, this is just some like borderline normal like profit taking, right? It's not like some like strong like nuke down. So like you'd be expecting this in like a strong scenario anyways, and it's happening while these nuke. So imagine this wasn't happening. So we'll probably already be blasting off. I don't give a fuck though. I don't give a fuck. It's gonna go as far as it wants now. My spot bag will be juice, and but in terms of this leverage trade, yeah, I'm like basically all out of it at this point. I don't give a fuck though. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Bum bum bum. Good job. Yeah, somehow definitely fucked it up on the way up once. Well, like twice, right? Because we lost money on one of the hedges. Which one was it? How far back is this? Oh, this is way too far back. There's a poor high somewhere. Where the fuck was it? I don't remember now, but there, at some point we got stopped like unnecessarily on a hedge short. And that's why I ended up putting on these like extra TPOs. What the fuck was it? This is like too far back already. Is it not loading again? Oh yeah, it's this, right? Okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this manual thing is fucking stupid. Sometimes, like, if you're on the 30-minute, the auto will go to one number, and sometimes you'll go to, like, a different time frame, and then back to the 30-minute, and the auto number will not be the same. Like, it differentiates when you're on the 30-minute, the automatic one. Don't know what it is, how they implemented this to do that. Maybe something based on what's seeing on the screen. But anyways, hella fucking annoying. But yeah, it was this thing. I opened like a head short here, and then I got like stopped out on this, and it's 'cause I couldn't see this high. And even then, like, even if I could have like or like, that's not the correct way to phrase it. Even without this, I should have not gotten stopped out here. That's what I mean to say. Cause I should have like expected this kind of thing. I should have put it behind the yellow line. Maybe that's just hindsight, I don't know. But like, I feel like that would have been a better decision than to leave it where I had it. My stop.
Chase the green with a trembling hand. Candle wicked, now we don't understand. While I mark that top in the motherland.
At the end of the day, if it like runs this far up, then like I'm making the money on the long anyways. I don't have to worry about getting in and out. Can you reference me the stream where you put those blue lines for BTC? I think it was in the clip, wasn't it? It was like May 20th or something. But if you rewind, like I mentioned it when I'm showing the clip. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it, like, or I highlighted it over the video thing. Date. Boom, boom, boom. Now my question about this news is, what were we supposed to be getting taxed before? Whoops.
You went long where we go short. No fib, no flow, no candle thought. The breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown, looking sad. That breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. That wick don't care. Kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer. Too high, I was stelling slow while you kissed the sky. It's not emotion, it's math, my friend. Price don't love you, it just pretend.
Is this thing not like searching properly? I don't. How about we do it this way?
Top longer, it's a shame to see. You bought the lie while I sip my tea. Top longer, hope don't pay, but I get paid every single day. Top longer, next time wait, don't chase the sun at the wrong gate. Top longer, now you know we mark the top and let it go. I fade that fire, you play with flame. The math is the math,
How's the rest of this stuff looking? What a fucking candle. How much did this drop? 16,000 Bitcoin. How much is that? Oh my god. God damn. I feel like an average price of 1,400 or 114,000. It's damn near 2 billion. Just in Bitcoin liquidations. God damn. Got him. Boom, 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 boom.
Marcos initialized.
112.
I put in the work, now the market, my baby. Chart like curves and the flow drive me crazy. Standard depth tight, I know when she breaks, she give me that wick. I just need one shake. I calculate love like it's volume weighted. She move with rhythm, never outdated. One sigma shift, I'm deep in my lane. Trade runs smooth while I hold her frame.
Oh, so shout out to this, like, do we even mention this? But this fucking extension level, right? I think. Yeah, we took a short attempt here earlier, actually. I don't think we mentioned that. Yeah, there was like a little 3 drives in the 1 minute as it got there. Or sorry, 3 drives in the 3 minute. Ding, ding, ding. There was like massive like CVD bear dips, etc. We got stopped out of that pretty quick after though. I got our break even stop spanked. It was very small. It was like a really small position though. Boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to open up anything with size and against a move like this, right? Where we can just get ran over any moment in case we are wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Shout out to the math though, god damn. Shout out to the blue line. Shout out to all the lines, god damn. How's our time frame looking? Curious if I can spend any more time up here or not. Very pretty bullish, right? Just sit up here building value again. Where's the 382 at? Whatnots? Interesting. Are we about to rip from here again? Imagine. Definitely in the cards then. God damn, god damn. Might come in one of the imaginary green lines. God damn. God damn. God damn. Got all kinds of imaginary lines over here. Every color of the fucking rainbow. Shout out to the math. I think I read somewhere that was like the biggest like multi-year liquidation. Is that true? I don't know. Should probably look it up, right? Out of curiosity. How far back does this go? I don't know if it was. This is... Anyways. Curious if SMB starts going, right? This kid literally it's just nuked down, cleaned the pour low, and now it's just starting to go. I mean, not the greatest low, I suppose, but like... if it's just gonna go, fuck it, right? Boom, 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 boom.
Marcos, lights low, charts glow, lowered in the air, my thing control. I puff that fire, then load that size. I trust the line, they trust in lies.
Interesting.
I optimize. You feeling hope, I strategize. Charts on mute, no need for chat. They guessing moves, I place exact. Spread real tight, just like the rap. I trade, I flex, I go steps.
Bum bum bum. God damn. I need to eat this food, god damn.
Stop loss, clean that edge, be prime. You trade sign. Them want vibes, I want fit. Them want pump, I want grit. Them buy high, I flip it. Now them stops get slit. Slow burning, slow earning. Every candle I've been learning. Charts whisper, price confirm it. Entry go stay, ain't this. I puff that far, then load that size. I trust the line, they trust in lies. Low in a wick, I optimize. You feeling hope, I strategize. Charts on mute, no need for chat. They guessing moves, I place exact. Spread real tight, just like the rap. I trade, I flex, I ghost, I stack. Midnight screen light on my face. Price slow creeping, I hold grace. They want breakout, I want base. Me and risk, we never race. Smoke curl up like liquidation. I wait my time, no imitation. They short the low, I hit rotation. Run, they stops, pure elevation. I puff that far, then load that size.
Gotta get ready to short these things, right? Gotta prepare to short all these things. Question is where? That has to be like chill. I should be pretty far away for now. I guess to either get like really overextended or we'll wait a bit, right? I don't want to get ran over. That's just like a pretty clear sign of strength. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Bum, 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 bum.
They move. Mark goes. Chow. Yo. Imaginary to you, but not the price. Drawn 2 weeks back, still hit twice. No confluence, no fib, no hype. Line too clean, like the math got sliced. Chart slow down when it near my zone. Wig tap light, then momentum gone. They thought breakout, I thought fade. I was 10 pips deep in a palisade. No reaction, I just reload. Pit clean like a fingerprint code. Line invisible, weight still known. Yo, hold these has died on a level I own. Imaginary line still print real. Price hit once and seal the deal. You press buttons, I press steel. Chart show chaos, I just feel. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random. I call
Interesting.
Imaginary locks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random. I call that crown. But I got hit at the edge of space. Line held firm like a golden brace. You saw noise, I saw math. You chase trend, I trap path. Set that level on a wine stain napkin. Price curve back like it owed me action. Whole move died when the wick got clipped. Mad don't lie, it just flips. I don't move fast, I just set fate. Market bend, I'm a silent wait. Chart don't fake when the edge get close. And I don't speak, just post that ghost. Imaginary line still print no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. The whip don't lie, the chart don't ask. They think I predict, but I don't.
Interesting.
I remember. Marcos. Marcos.
Tap the line, no guessing. Chart so clean, it's a weapon. You buy hype, I'm testing. You chase green, I'm resting. Pull up, slow, then vanish. Fizz mapped out so lavish. 618, I vanish. You get clapped, I planned it. Marcos. Body count high in the order book. One tap fade, didn't even look. Limit fills, get snatched like crooks. Stop hunts, cook, just read the hooks.
Interesting, right? Boom, 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 boom. Just so far back at this point. Today's candle will be pretty interesting. How today's candle closes. Here's if we get any kind of pullback or not. Boom, 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 boom. Because this thing can go much higher still. So it can be like another like increasing candle, right? Getting printed. It's like ding, 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 ding. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna start to put like a potential high in. So we're interesting to see where this thing ends up today. These things haven't even started diverging yet. So definitely a lot of pumps left in this potentially. I'm looking relatively strong so far too. Boom, 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 boom. Volume looking strong too, right? Ramping up. Oh, shout out to this math too, right? Talk about this bitch, goddamn ding. The 5 touches. Failure to retest the midline, then the consolidation and go. Oh, by the fucking book, boy. By the book. If you want a fucking picture perfect example, it's it right there. God damn. God damn. Tell to the math. Also, like, did we like oh my god, you can't make this shit. What? Oh my god. Oh, this day cannot be any fucking funnier, I swear. Shout out to the math, god damn. Ugh.
Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in they face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit race. Never needed luck, I just needed some space. To build it from scratch, now we floating in grace. I was in the dark with a pixel dream. Trading in pain, trying to find my theme. Late night charts, steady chasing green. Mama said pray, I said watch the screen. Whole fam slept while I mapped that zone. Woke them all up when I touched that throne. Golden pocket entries, built us alone. Now we eat well, got marble and chrome. She used to cry, now her smile stay bright. I took that weight, made it fly like a kite. They used to mock, now they copy the light. Marco's the name, put the game in flight. Mom was crying while the rent passed due. Now she counting blessings with a sky view. I was down bad, no one had a clue. Now we all good, whole crew came through. They ain't see the map, just a doubt in they face. Now I'm cruising slow in a starlit race.
Interesting.
I just needed some space to build it from scratch. Now we floating in grace. Auto-tune blessings, I let it all play. Wrote this in code, made a plan every day.
I'm trying to think if I want to add back to these trades.
Math did the work, now we counting LA. Hey.
Or not. Or not. Or not. Wouldn't be much though.
cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing the rain coming near. Now she in fur with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine. Hesitate once and you missed the whole line. Math hit coded, don't beg to be kind. Every zone I drew came back in the line. Late nights, eyes on a candle. Stress high, bro, couldn't handle. Price running, panic, I plan. Fibonacci scale like a blade in hand. 618 like a signal from Mars. Set the order, now I'm counting the stars. Whisper said he won't go far. Now they all watch charts from luxury cars. Detached soul, I don't fold, I compute. Every feel, now a loop of the truth. Used to lose sleep from the weight of the roof. Now we high rise, math get the proof. Came from the void, no echo, no cheer. Only that screen and the weight of the fear. Mama was stressing, the rain coming near. Now she in fur with the diamonds that smear. I was alone, now the feel look divine. Hesitate once and you missed the whole line. Math hit coded, don't beg to be kind. Every zone I drew came back in the line. Pixel perfect when I breathe in the dark. Limit place, now the candles embark. Autumn doubts, gone like a spark. Just me the chart and the art.
Interesting.
Marcos trades. Deep in the trenches. Big wave, big math. Yeah. Set the wave, I surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels with a pressure peak B. They see splash, I see trap, I said it. Zone get drawn, well steps regret it. 618 like teeth embedded. I bite back when the sea look hectic. I'm in stealth, no sonar blip. Got size so big it'll flip, they ship. Lick map blink, that's bait to grip. I just hit then pop that clip. Trend setter, I chart the swell. Pulse of the tide, I rid that well. They just swim where I cast that spell. Every reversal, I ring that bell. Set the wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get dumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels where the pressure peak be. Deep sea pockets, that's where I dwell. They chase pumps, I wait and shell. Flip get marked and the trap get set. They swim loud, I move in stealth. Float through charts like I breathe that tide. Bad bitch rolling while I glide. POC get kissed and slide. I front run trends, they chase and cry. No clout moves, I just set the tone. This the ocean math on a platinum phone. Whole crew fed on precision zones. We hunt whales, they die alone. Set the wave on surf, I move it. Whales get clipped when the math too ruthless. Trenches cold, but the wrist on stupid. Size get thumped, they pray, I prove it. I'm the current, they just floating lost. I hunt depths, they don't know the cost. Wick get tapped, that's blood in the sea. I got feels where the pressure peak be. It ain't luck when the ocean bends. Just pressure, math, and patience. Marcos. Yes, sir. Didn't believe it, huh? Migo, we know. Man made millionaires. Back then they ain't care. Now my whole fam in the air. Private flights, no stairs. Golden fibs, I swear. 6-1 Lounge truck, 2-tone glare. TP hit, I stare. Money talk loud, they scared. They laughed at the plan, I spars with the fam. Used to run, stop, loss, now run the land. Backwoods field chart still in hand. Had no help, just math, no scam. Mom and Dior, niece got bands. Auntie and Benz, off
Dude, we're just yapping with fucking the mic on. Oh yeah, I was muted. Whoops. Don't mind me trolling. But I was talking about like the standard deviations around the 50 moving average, 100 moving average, etc. Apparently it's quite commonly used. So I want to see what that looks like. Especially on like really large cap stuff. God damn, god damn.
Marcos. They see the wins now. They see me in the red. Late night pain. No help, just math. Yeah, it's candlelight war, no sleep. No. Tears on the keys, just me and the heat. Price ran wild, I ain't retreat. Midnight lows made the house so sweet. They talk racks, I bled for this. Charles got scars, yeah, I thread that stitch. Used to be pain, now it's profit ticks. But they ain't there when the soul got hit. Dark room 3, I'm heart sunk deep. No lights on, but a V-Walk beam. Snipe from lost turned into scheme. Now every trade got a haunted gleam. I tweet, I just flipped the zone. Marked up levels with a cracked out phone. Smoking a year blunt to the dome. Wasn't no help, I was all alone. They cheered now, but I'm
Wow, this thing's really sending right now. God damn. Oh, yeah, I must have like shaved the wrong amount. Was this on? So it on? Interesting.
Loud profit. Late night run, I'm up with the charts. Backseat view, cool glow in the dark. Did the math clean, now the wrist on spark. Did it all cold, I need they heart. Silk sheet trays, I ain't break no sweat. They talk loud, but I clear those bets. Got rich lines that they callin' fake. Dashed in gold, price bounced off fake. Woke up from a dream, made racks in real time. Ray phone stealth, but the mask still shine. Ops talk noise, I reply with decline. Cuban link froze, on my entry point. Tapped in once, now it's cash in joints. Didn't do brunch, I was cooking zones. Late night scripts with no auto clones. Marble floor echo that candle slap. Back to his truth, they can fake that map. Whispers in the chat, I don't need that cap. Cause the VWAP kissed and I ran that trap. Late night run, I'm up with the chart. Backseat view, coupe glow in the dark. Did the math clean, now the wrist on spark. Did it all cold, I need they heart. Silk sheet trays, I ain't
God damn, god damn, god damn. What is gold up to? Boom, 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 boom. God damn.
Marcos. Yeah.
I'm looking at some of the data for this candle. God damn.
Used to sleep broke, now I dream of penthouse. Math so sharp, I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Hey. Came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, we don't tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the flip and stop. I was in the dark with a crack screen glow. Facts. Facts. Drew lines once, Price never said no. They laughed back then, said it's too many tools. Now they front run math and look like fool. Nobody
Interesting.
follow trade, just zone a zone with the lines.
Viral media, hello. 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 Hello, viral media.
Redboxes hit like a stick in the war, and I size that lot like a brick to a door. Used to sleep broke, now I dream in penthouse. Math so sharp, I could carve a trend out. Charts don't lie, but my wrist too loud. Came from the red, now the green drip proud. Facts. Big bags hit like a 12 gauge pop. Lamb truck ghost when the TP drop. Talk that talk, we don't tweet, just walk. Whole life flipped off the fib and stock. I ain't flex, they just can't relate. Wrist 10 racks, now I sip on fate. Or the book dance when I step in the zone. Wrote my fate with a yellow line tone. Gold on the neck, that Fibonacci wave. 0.5 pounds got me paid like Brave. 618, that's a safe house crib where the ops get smoked and the charts get rigged. They post gains, I post receipts. They hit stops, I feast on beats. Marcos made, never preset cheat. This the math, this the seed of elite. Penthouse truth. From the basement dreams. Now the floor got marble. The chart got beams. Marcos. The math made me rich. Talk less. Print more.
FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink, ray go high, I ride that wave, ray go low, I still get paid. FOMC, no fear zone, head down plop, moves alone, big boy size, my feel precise, click confirm, then roll the dice. FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink, ray go high, I ride that wave, I still get
I'm trying to think, is there some way to like determine mathematically if market smashing here is it worth it? Like before the pop. Like get some kind of estimation about the candle length based on like what the order book's looking like. If it were to all get like liquidated.
FOMC, I don't blink, math on lock, chart gon' sink,
There's a way to automate that.
I ride that wave, ray go low, I still get paid. FOMC, no fear zone, head down plop,
Anyways, unnecessary, but interesting thought.
precise, click confirm,
What do say you're doing the math, right? Who's a fuck? Who's a fuck? Doing that made up math, boy. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What a fucking day, god damn. God damn. Trader Sosa. Mr. Juicinator. Hitting a filthy pump at the gym. Oh, nice. Yeah, I went earlier. I was watching this 5-minute candle pop while I was like on one of the bikes. I was fucking, my mind was being blown. If I was in the middle of the gym, I would have been fucking screaming. Literally screaming. I don't want to look like a fucking freak. Just out of nowhere, something out with headphones on, just freaking the fuck out. Because his TPs are getting spanked! God damn! God damn! God damn! God damn. Everything going according to the fucking script, right? Down to the fucking imaginary lines. Like, I don't know how to fucking say it. I don't know how else to fucking say at this point. Honestly. Honestly. I'm fucking different. That's what. God damn. God damn. Shout out to the math. Shout out to the math. What a day though, right? What a day, what a pump, like regardless. Bum, 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 bum. How do these alts end up on a daily? Boom, 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 boom.
Level got filled, no frontin'. Empty inbox, but the racks keep coming. Silk sheets now, but I came from nothing. Golden pocket tucked, I ain't need no light. TP hit, why they still think twice. Small money steps, no dice, just math. I ain't post, I just watch them crash. Backseat charts, coupe dash digital. Benz move silent, gains residual. Stared at the screen till my soul went critical. Now I sip
Interesting.
view that's biblical. No sleep, just plans and fills. Back to steep like I'm hunting for kills. Wrote the script, they follow the thrill, but I printed that map, let them chase the hills. Vested in zones they don't even see. Cash line bounce, that's prophecy.
Brett, one of my spot plays, but that's been showing nice strength. Brett. Yeah. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty strong green dildo right there, right? Yeet. I'm curious how it looks on the lower time frame. That thing is like, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens with like Bitcoin, right? Because if this starts to go like sideways, then or like just kind of chill, then alts are probably gonna pump like way more, right? But if this starts to like nuke lower, then we probably will get a bit of a pullback on everything. Boom, 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 boom. At this point, I'm just chilling though. God damn, god damn, god damn. So many juicy trades, unfucking believable. Fucking Cardano, what is this? God damn. Interesting. This might be worth getting into before it starts running, right? Interesting. I mean, a little late, but compared to some of the other shit that's already like been pumping. How much of a move would this kind of be? Interesting. Ada is my other juicer. Posted my entry on X at 0.6. Ada. Interesting. Why'd you take that? What a curiosity. I don't know. What were we looking at? What were we looking at? Got lost. Yeah, the arrow thing. Arrow. Maybe curve too. Interesting. Last run older coins like that did some nice runs. Structure looked good. Here's some chip setter. True. True. Positions I posted too, heating up nicely. Yeah, I'm sure as long as you got in before the pump at this point, like everything's probably doing well. Doesn't seem like anything's lagging extremely hard. No down days on anything really, seems like. Interesting. This will be interesting to watch. Because this thing has been up only, right? And it kind of seems like people are dumping a bit. I'm surprised if this actually pulls back. Anyways, we'll keep an eye on that. You fuck with that Marcos Draco beat? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. I like those kind of like sounding songs. I made some with this, like with that thing before, but I don't know. It wasn't Draco, you know. Was I no Draco? Imagine we're getting some new Draco music right now as this shit was pumping. God, I'd be going crazy. I'd be losing my shit right now. God damn. Hun Diddy. This fucking candle, god damn, god motherfucking damn. I'm curious, when's the last time we had a candle that big? I don't know, I'm not seeing it, right? I'm not seeing no $3,000 5-minute candle. Is it just me, or? Is it just me? Doing this with my fucking eyes, god damn. If that was the biggest candle, I don't know if it was the biggest, but it was definitely fucking huge. The thing is, I don't know how far back this thing goes. I guess we can ask it as well, like, even without that. If we can get anything better, we'll do both. Bum, 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 bum. This is not what I want. I want an actual like spreadsheet. That's another problem with TradingView, but I guess like the data they give you does not go far back enough. Like I can't just export all the 5-minute data since Bitcoin began. They cut you off like some rats. My fucking rats. Bum, 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 bum. I thought the index is all the data, and not if you export it into a spreadsheet. So I'm saying this thing I mean, it makes sense. You can just like export an entire database like, in 1 second with a click of a button, but Crown somehow was able to do, I think. Yeah, that's different though. You're talking about like the thing to test. What's it called? Like the tester, the skeleton tester type thing. Like if you're testing something in here, yeah, but that means I have to like write a bunch of Pine scripts to find if this is the biggest candle or not. I'd much rather just be able to just take it out in a spreadsheet, export it, and do it myself. Along with many other things. But they don't give you any of the data. So you gotta collect it yourself or pay for it. Or else you ain't getting that shit. Bum 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 bum. Because it sort of depends how far back you want to go and on what time frame. Like yeah, you might find data from like the daily candles like 2 years ago. If you wanted like 5-minute data for the entire time span, it's a lot of data. Boom, 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 boom. Adds up pretty quickly.
Told my jeweler chart that gleam. Stats on lock, I just print the dream. PP, I pump, count up racks. Map too real, I don't trust no yak.
Boom, 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 boom.
Price went dumb, I let that pass. Chart went ghost, then I fade like
Shout out to the math. Shout out to the math. I kinda wanna order some barbecue. I'm so hungry right now. It's unbelievable. Is it too late? Is it too late? Oh fuck. Whatever. Fuck. Anything interesting in the data right now? I haven't been paying attention to be honest. Let's kind of get a look. Imagine not. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, these aren't even on the right. I mean, in terms of this though, I mean, holding up pretty strong so far based on just the eyesight. If there's anything else is going on though. Because like, a lot of people were taking profit here. A lot of people were taking, like myself included, right? We're not like pulling back that much. Especially given the fact that like all this shit was nuking. Right now we're just kind of building value right now. Bouncing off the VWAP looks like. We'll see. Can we kind of flip this golden pocket and get going or not? Now we'll be watching this bitch, right? Value area low is gonna come down here and test this bitch or nah? Or nah? Germany loses 3 billion profits, selling at 50k. Yeah. Not sure, they might not have a choice, so I don't really know the story behind that. Like maybe the law there like mandates that they must sell any like confiscated good immediately. They're just like forced to follow the law or something, I don't know. But yeah, if they just sell it randomly for the lulz, then yeah, get wrecked, right? Don't know what you're doing. You're just another noob. Your country's literally noob. Basically what that means. It's about fumbling the bag. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, the data. Actually, probably look at the order book more than anything. Boom, 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 boom.
Right tight. Cut that. Talk to me, Jerome. Let's go. They wait on Jerome, I wait on my zone. He press that mic, I press that phone. POC tag, I'm in my throne. Right go up, I'm still full grown. Yellow dash hit pixel snipe. Cut or hike, I trade that hype. Doves or hawks, they sweat all night. But I just fade, the math too right. Whip got clocks like the Fed got feared. Hold that squat when the dot plot near. Traders scream, I sip that clear. They got stops, I engineer. Headlines panic, I just glance. Levels hold like luxury pants. 618, my entry dance. FOMC, that's just advanced. Jerome speak loud, I whisper back. Caught that spike, then flip the stack. Balance sheet look wild on track, but I got feels, no time for they late on Jerome, I wait on my zone. He press that mic, I press that phone. POC tagged, I'm in my throne. Rate go up, I'm still full grown. Yellow dash hit pixel snipe. Cut a hike, I trade that hype.
Maybe we do go to 120. Definitely in the scope, right? Especially the way things are behaving right now. Definitely in the scope. Or at least 118. Interesting. That's where most of the liquidity is next, and these imaginary lines are there too, right? What are the odds of that? What are the odds of that? That's the thing, the purple box is up there, right? Yeah. I think everyone is expecting 120, so if we hit it, we should see a lot more profit taking. Maybe. I think people are just gonna be shaving like anywhere in that region probably. Boom, 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 boom. I do find this line quite funny. Looks like we're going higher so far. Like there's been like no sign of weakness, right? We're barely pulling back on these consolidations. Like this thing pulled back to like what? 382, never went lower. $236, never went lower. Another potential 3-8-2 happening here. Boom, boom, boom. Especially given the fact that this shit's happening. Boom, 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 boom. Looking pretty strong, right? I mean, gotta get the data to see that, boy. Boom, boom, boom. If I went to the gym, there was a bunch of hidden bull divs, though. Curious if they're still there. This shit ever loads. Ready to fuck up. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What are you guys expecting? That's my question. You guys in your trades? Are you prepared? Are you taking profit right now, or are you fucking greeding this bitch? What are you guys doing? God damn. I saw some of the long is still running. I don't have any TP set yet. Probably put some up here, right? Probably should set them in advance, or we forget. That's gonna be like 25, 25, 25. Something like that. Boom, boom, boom. I might even have to add back to this thing. If we get some kind of juicy pullback, boy. Boy, I'm gonna reload the clip. Okay. I think slow grind higher. Just prepare for scam wick down. Maybe. It's gonna depend on what happens right now, probably. Yeah, I mean, definitely when World War starts to go. Boom, boom, boom. Where do those liquidations start? Where do they start at? One 116.5, 66. Interesting. Yeah, we could definitely go up pretty quick here. If we start going. But not, we'll see, right? Lots of different possibilities if we don't. I start going down for real. Hard to say, right? Hard to say because it's not like typical price action, so. I mean, I haven't even started like having any kind of like divergences really yet. So this thing can like just keep fucking pumping at this point. At all-time highs, people just max FOMOing. Leaving some like 60-day range. No people are foaming into this shit, right?
Marcos, you hear me? My dummies, they missing it. Smoke loud, wick louder. Run it!
Might continue going until CPI PPI de-risking next week. I don't know if it goes. I guess like to get an idea. Whatever, doesn't matter, doesn't fucking matter, right? Don't gotta guess, just gotta sit here and watch. Cause either it's flipping this golden pocket or it's not, right? After that we'll worry about where it's going to the downside. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, lots of areas of interest down here, right? Might just come doing another swing fill pattern, clean the low and go. At the value area high. After like building value here for a while again, kind of what happened here. Or I might start losing this shit. And we'll be looking down here and see what's going on. Or just starts going right now. Fuck, it says fuck this shit, boy. Starts motherfucking flying. God damn. We must have got stop loss short at this point, right? Our stop loss is not that. Where's that dying?
Yeah. Chart look clean, but I'm dirty with it. Marcos. Zone stepping. Stop sweeping. They ain't do nothing.
Yeah, okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Hit they stops, now they're green, just top out. Char smoked out, lungs full of loud. We sipping that walk while they margin drown. Zone got marked, I spun back twice. One little wick, then I ended day life. I don't tweet threats, I just pull up right with the side.
Leave that like that.
Private jet math, I be gone by noon. Hit they level, not a block in doom. Backwood twist, that's jet fuel fumes. In the chart do flips when I enter the room. Wick that candle, don't flinch, just fade it. They trade off hope, I'm calculated. Zone like turf and I just invaded. Ops got hit and they chart deflated, no mask on, I do a bare face. With a richer milli on the wrist, no brace. Slide through stealth, but I leave no trace. All I left was a trap in a big briefcase. Stepping on his own name.
I'm curious. I need to look up the data between rate cuts and like what happens in the economy after. Is there like 100% correlation that always pumps, or like is there? What does the timing of this stuff look like?
Taking them out, zone looks off, so I walk on in. Snatch they stops with a savage grin. Gotta crawl through the digital tape. They candle jump, that's my favorite bait. They try to break out, I bring the weight. Flip they longs, now I'm eating off plates. Math in motion, no luck, no hope. They was dreaming green, I handed the rope. Ice in my chain, match the fib, I pull .618 hit. Stepping on his own name, pop out. Hit they stops, now the green just top out. Chart smoked out, lungs full of loud. We sipping that walk while they margin drown. Zone got marked, got spun back twice. One little wick, then I ended they life. I don't tweet press, I just pull up right with the size so fat, it distort they sight. Marcos, yeah. You drew a little box, huh? But I'm on the other side of that, wicking it deep. Zone invaded, stops gone. Marcos.
Okay, interesting. Bum, 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 bum. Shout out to our spot bags. God damn, my Bitcoin bag is juicing right now. God damn. God damn. God damn. We were loaded that bitch down here. God damn. God damn. God damn. How's the weekly looking?
No stress, I sip my tea. Zone get tapped and I press TP. You need signal, I just see. Structure form like prophecy.
How does your spot exit plan look like? Probably look for signs of weakness, start shaving some out. The usual thing. I don't know if we're gonna do it just yet. We haven't even had rate cuts yet, right? So like, quite likely we go a lot higher than 120, right? Like, are we really just gonna come up here and stop? And then not continue higher? Maybe it's worth shaving a lot there, I don't know. Probably should. When was the next green line? Thing is, this can go so much though, right? Like compared to like when you do either like crazy like moves like this. This is a long way to go still. And it's not looking particularly like, you know. I wanna see the chart looking pretty sus on the daily to be shaving for my spot bag, right? Now we're not quite there. Cause like this was pretty, these two were pretty extreme. Like every major pump is pretty extreme. I was like, what does this look like? Hmm. Hard to say, right? I'm thinking like this should, like if you're trying to be as optimal as possible and pick to make the right decision, I think like quite likely you don't. It's a little early to shave on your spot bag. I suppose it depends where you got in, right? It's the perspective of where you got in. Like gun to my head, I'd be pretty sure we're gonna get up here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how things are looking at if we get to 120. Like if it's looking hella bearish here for whatever reason, then yeah, I'll probably shave some. Even if we just end up adding back, like if there's like strong and kind of balance. So how much would this be? Get back in on the retest of the golden pocket or something like way cheap, like 10% cheaper. Yeah. Probably something like that.
Yeah, Marcos,
Mm-mm.
they ain't believe me. But the math did. I did it anyway, even when they lied. Now I'm charted out, wrist full of map. Cried in the dark, no lights, just pride.
I think it's hard to gauge. It's so hard to gauge with this, right? They're very different from other assets. In terms of like like the trying to like, have any kind of outlook on like a long-term target this cycle, it's so hard to say. Like if this thing gets to like $200,000 and it's like on the news literally fucking everywhere and people are buying it from all around the world, you can probably still do like another leg up, right? Some crazy shit like that. That's so speculative though. August, September are historically bearish months too. Need to keep that in mind. Of course, seasonality is just one metric, so. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. At the end of the day, like, sure, like the historical stuff might matter in some regard. I don't know. I don't know where to lay on it, right? 'Cause at the end of the day, being alive in the moment as like the things are occurring is better than going based on the data, just because every data point is like unique. So you can identify like, the data point that'll be like incorrect in the set beforehand. I don't know, maybe we don't have a bearish September. I mean, yeah, there's like the tax selling and whatnot, but maybe not overly bearish. Who knows? Quite far away though. March is usually bullish, but we nuked this March. Yeah, like there's all like the tariff stuff and whatnot, wasn't there? Wasn't there like other stuff going on too? All kinds of shit was happening. Boom. Plus, we also had a crazy pump. That Trump pump was like fucking absurd. Everything just sent to fucking the heavens in one day. Like most of the charts just like undid the Trump pump more than anything. Just like yeet yeet. Boom, boom. That's usually how those like type of events work out, or at least it seems to be that way. Isn't there some saying about this? How like what's it called? Like news-driven pumps like that, you almost always get undone. Something to that effect. I mean, I don't know what always might be quite an exaggeration. Feel free to get the stats yourself. In terms of like seeing it with the eyes, seems to usually be the case. Bum, 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 bum.
Marcos, it's that time again. Ray drop, Ray hold, either way. F-O, F-O.
Plus, right now we're leaving that behind the steamy gap too. That's the other thing, aren't we?
Green light flick when the dot plot slide. I'm front of the whip, my eyes.
Yeah.
No stop, no cap, just data fed. They retweets, I read that thread. Price snap back like power.
We have massive gap up, came in, and we're starting to just go again.
Don't blink once, hawk or dove, I still eat lunch. 0.25 or 0.5 pop.
Bum, 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 bum.
Fed speak bait, I hear that tone. Liquidity flash, I'm in that zone. They panic post while I post
You can actually get past the open now, or what? Or what?
Screens up on the yacht, don't stress. SPX fake out, I short that mess. Ops in spaces, begging guesses. I'm in size, no second guesses.
Bum, 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 bum.
FO, MC mode, I'm
If we keep bumping, oh my god, right? How are the alts doing right now? Not doing a whole lot.
fed. They retweets, I read that thread. Price snap back like Pow said. I'm prepped, I'm lit, I won't blow red. They got Hobium tweets, I got limit fills. Mask my weapon, no fake thrills. I
Bum,
scout
bum,
that
bum.
whip with deadly still. Then chill with the view in Beverly Hills. Jerome talk slick, I already knew. I measured the tape, I mapped that cue. My yellow dash got bounced on cue. Whole room shit, they never knew. Been up since London, slept in Tokyo. Rate day prince got me moving like Warwick's. Marcos, they just float. FOMC hits, I'm cutting throats.
I'm just thinking about that spot bag thing now.
MC mode, I'm locked in live. Pivots, traps, I thrive off vibes. Green light flick when the dot plot slide. I'm front of the whip, my ops behind. No stop, no cap, just data fed. They read tweets, I read that thread. Price snap back like Pow said. I'm prepped, I'm lit, I won't blow red. Rate day ain't for the weak. It's math mode and Marcos. We don't gamble, we execute. FOMC.
Bum, 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 bum.
You don't know. It's Marcos. No guessing. Just math, brethren. Pixel perfect laugh is. Pixel lines I strike exact.
It'll be very interesting to see how stuff's looking when we get to the zone, if we get to the zone.
Wrist on beam, trade intact. Pull up slow in the mat, go whip. Then tree align, then watch that flip. Luxury drip from fingertip. Math bring life and the life is rich. Dash line yellow, price hit
Oh.
deep. Trade locked in, no need repeat. Wake tap bounce, I don't compete. I calculate what them tweet defeat. Rooftop chill with the loudest pack. They still hope I check that back. Plan so tight, no room for slack. They fade
God, I am.
back. Every char glow like a chain. Every candle whisper gain. Guess I aimed and rain. One trade feed whole campaign. Pixel lines I strike exact. Smoke top shelf white charts react. Math talk clean, no need for cap. Wrist on beam, trade intact. Pull up slow in the mat go whip. Entry align, then watch that flip. Luxury drip from
Fuck, I'm sad that barbecue place was closed.
the life and the life is rich. No drawdown, me tighten rope. Piano stretch like a hit the slope. Them watch stats, I build the scope. Every line I draw give hope. Candle pulse like baseline beat. Blue line bounce, then chart repeat. I don't flex loud, I flex elite. Private flight, just me and heat. Pixel lines I strike exact. Small top shelf white charts react.
I'm trying to convince my friend to fucking trade. Trying to sway him over to the dark side. It's like that. I need to send him that movie clip. What is it?
The math is the math. Yeah. still clean on entry. They max long, now the chart look empty. I don't chase, I don't guess. Price tap twice, I collect the rest. POC bounce, they ain't catch it. Value area high, I sketched it. You want flash, I want math. You post code, I post path. Marked up, tag that line. You got loud, I got mine. Price came back, I press fine. TP hit, I'm right on time. Marked up, plan too clean. No motion in between. You caught weight, caught still. You caught loss, caught still. Sharp move weird, I still glide. They swing wild, I just slide. They up late, I'm ready filled. They post pain, I post chill. V-way pole, I saw early. They call moon, I call birdie. Shot that fade, no assist. Snipe that top, I don't miss. One candle print, I knew that game. You saw pump, I saw flame. You want magic, I want math. You want
Boom, 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 boom.
marked up, tag that line. You got loud, I got mine. Price came back, I press fine. TP hit, I'm right on time. Marked up, plan too clean. No motion.
Yeah, pretty sure he'd be able to trade pretty well, pretty well. I'm trying to convince him to trade. Like, worked at Google, good with data. Used to play games as well. I know he'd be laughing doing some of this shit for sure too. Some of these trades got me fucking laughing, I swear to God. Goddamn. Ba-bing, ba-bing. God damn. Things starting to go again or what? So curious if we just kind of swing fail this or not. Potentially. Potentially. Doesn't seem like we will, but order flow looking a little bullish currently, but god damn. God damn. Shout to the math. God damn. 4,000. God damn. Curious if we're gonna get another squeeze like this. It's kind of that kind of similar effect up there. I don't think it's gonna be as big. And someone's selling a shit ton of Bitcoin at 120 or has been. I don't know if they're gonna keep it there. That's been there for a hot minute. Hot minute. Boom.
She bounced once, you press twice. Stop gone, Marcos. Yeah, I got 'em no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Place that level,
Interesting.
did the rest. You got, now you tweeting regrets. I sip slow like a
Are we about to start going again? We're about to start going again? God damn. Might get the next CP hit at 118. God damn. God damn.
candle touch, then story.
God damn.
You said break out, I said trap. Price came back, you took that slap. Watch your chart, all full of lines. None of them real, none of them mine. Mine just sit, breathe like silk. Yours discreet, mine just
Bum,
build.
bum, 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 bum.
I press calm, they want rush, I want charm. They want loud, I want plan. You want moon, I hold land. Yeah, I got
Shout out to the math. God damn. I need to stand my ass up. God. Goddamn. And I need food. Something to munch on.
Value area high, I timed that trap. They got hit, full size drop. I didn't speak, I just watched.
You don't see it when it's quiet. You only feel it when it breaks. Me, I move like a shadow. You move when you should.
No chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market, did the rest. You got response. That's what happened when you rush. Cool. You got response. I just faded with a hush. I stay ready. You stay loud. You caught feelings. I caught feels. Marcos.
You came back. Same chart, same song. Same face. Marco Ghost Flex. You got gal, get I didn't learn. Just hit send, press reverse, clean within. Now you hold me that end. You got gan and new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. I fade the high, you call that moon. I call that trap, you call too soon. You want breakout, I want logic. You want green, I want profit. Wick came quick, then sweep so cold. You start scream loud, my hell gold. Same move hit, same face shown. You still guessing, I still zone. You reload pain, I reload plan. You still press, I still stand. I stay small, you go all in. You got again and again. You got didn't learn. Just hit send, price reverse, clean within. Now you hold me that in. You got gan and new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. No risk plan, just FOMO thrill. No edge drawn, just hope to feel. You mark noise, I mark still. You bet candle, I build skill. TP tagged and silence hits. I roll out gas, you post fist. One more trade, one more loss. One more time, I let you cross. Same zone hit, same fear show. Same regret in the candle glow. You want hype, I want stealth. You burn fast, I print wealth. Cut you. Again. Same button, same burst, same chart, but worse. Same push, no verse. You fall, I don't curse. You got again, didn't learn. Just hit send, price reverse, clean within. Now you hold me that in. You got again, new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. It wasn't personal. It was mad. You got again. Marcos.
Dash line yellow. They say it's fake. Till they liquidate. Marcos.
Imaginary lines, that's what they
Blown through to all-time highs today.
price tap twice and fades away.
Yeah, it was unfucking believable. Unbelievable. That one 5-minute candle was fucking unbelievable.
Price bounce clean, they stuck in mud. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. And they still mad at imaginary lines. They don't believe, but they get clipped.
Price hit once, then double dip. Line from Monday, still him fry. Pixel perfect, and they ask why.
Dude, watching that candle explode like that was fucking unbelievable.
Outpost fills, you chase breakouts as outset kills. Line got they called it glitch. Next move came, my dog got rich.
I was in the gym on the bike as that happened.
Imaginary lines, that's what they say. What they say. What? Till price tap twice and fades away. Hey, hey. They pressing heat, I'm marking gray. Chalk out art, I paint that play. Hey, hey. Dash line glow, they call it luck. Play, play. Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck. Mud. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. Hey, hey. And they still mad at imaginary lines.
I mean, we might keep going too.
Clock that level, no emotion. Price
I'm looking pretty strong so far.
you long breakout, I low slow.
Looks like it definitely wants to fucking go.
They saw top, I saw test. They saw pump, I saw rest. They want chaos, I want code. They get wrecked, I just reload. Dash line from last week's close. Still hold firm while volume froze. You want answers,
Cause the spot market's like going pretty fucking crazy right now. Derivatives like we're ramping up out of control.
till your trade explodes on it. Then it's a prophecy.
So
Marcos.
everyone that's opening longs up in this move is getting defended right now, over and over.
Imaginary lines, that's what they say.
Your shorts just keep getting ran through.
Tap twice and fades away. They pressing heat, I'm marking gray. Chart got art, I paint that play. Dash line glow, they call it luck. Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. And they still mad at imaginary lines. You called it fake. But you got stopped. Pixel perfect. The math is
We'll see. We'll know when it wants to stop. I just gotta watch it. Chill. Chill out. Enjoy. Celebrate. Bum, 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 bum.
Just numbers. Just trust. Marcos.
How's all this looking?
I got faith in the math. Let them talk, I don't react. They chase dreams, I trace tracks. Numbers talk back, I move exact. No emotion, just that map. Zone a line, then it snap. They want feeling, I want facts. One clean whip, then I'm back. She said, how you stay that calm? I said, math don't need no charm. I don't flinch, I wait for price. You guess hope, I draw slice. We came close, I don't fail. TP tap, no detail. Didn't pray, didn't stress. Just one chart, no second guess. No candles loud enough to shake. No voice can make me fake. My trust ain't built on faithless moves. It's built on levels that don't lose. I got faith in the math. Let them talk, I don't react. They chase dreams, I trace tracks. Numbers talk back, I move exact. No emotion, just that map. Zone a line, then it snap. They want feeling, I want facts. One clean wig, then I'm back. Screen two.
Oh my gosh.
Balance built in, geometry. Volume
What a fucking day. I was vibing up to music on the drive home. Goddamn. Goddamn.
I got faith in the math, yeah. Let them talk, I don't react.
God damn. We're gonna make it to 118 tonight? God damn. Imagine. Can you fucking imagine? Bum, 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 bum.
Perks have been lean, got the Henny in me. FOMC while I'm the man slinging semi. Ups until I'm calm but deadly. Smoking that Ray Day pack real heady. Mid-print wick, got threaded steady. DXY spike, I load that heavy. Powell speak, they dream confetti. I'm up in size, let's rock, we ready. Candlewick fly, I'm zone, I'm faded. I'm so bark, my stop unbaited. They bought at the spike, got wiped deflated. I wrote that pack, then chart updated. I'm in the chair, back recline. Y'all saw screens, got 5 aligned. Got green on the chart, got red in the sky. That stay stops blowing while I multiply. Henny bottles swing on Powell speak. I'm 2 sips deep, still mad for lead. That 25 hit, I preheat. They react, I plant then feast. Off a perks, sipping lean, got the Henny in me.
This fucking song.
Until I'm calm but deadly. Smoking that Ray Day pack real heady. Mid-print wick, got threaded steady. DXY spike, I load that heavy. Powell speak, they dream confetti. I'm up in size, let's rock, we ready. They all in chat, say pivot soon. I'm in the book with a data zoom. I slide on brakes like it's auto-tune. Get filled at the top, then watch it doom. Dollar cost who I deal in pressure. Sharpen trees, no guessing measure. Fed day wild, but my math gon' tether. Yo, whole TL full of stressing. Smoke at the screen, backwood packing. Ops try long, they caught that slapping. Marco's lines, yeah, them wicks be tapping. The price go ghost, that's my fashion. Off a perk, sipping lean, got the Henny in me. FOMC while I'm the mass slinging semi. Ops until I'm calm but deadly. Smoking that Ray Day pack real heady. Mid-print wick, I threaded steady. DXY spike, I load that heavy. Powell speak, they dream confetti. I'm up in size, let's rock, we ready. You tweaking, I'm peeking. Off math, off med, still beating Marco's trades. FOMC, I eat it.
Boom, 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 boom.
She bounced once, he pressed twice. Stop gone. Marcos.
Yeah, how are the rest of these alts doing? What are they up to?
Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market did the rest. You got, now you tweets and regrets. I sip slow, I collect these sets. You on hype, I want that depth. I don't blink, I prep then step. Late night zone, marked in gold. Candle touch, then story fold. You said breakout, I said trap. Price came back, you took that slap. Watch your chart all full of lines. None of them real, none of them mine. Mine just sit, breathe like silk. Yours just scream, mine just built. They press green, I press calm. They want rush, I want charm. They want loud, I want plan. You want moon, I want land. Yeah, I got them, no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market did the rest. You got, now you tweets and regrets. I sip slow, I collect these sets. You on hype, I want that depth. I don't blink, I prep then step. Price dance wild, I don't flinch. You felt FOMO, I felt inch. Entry slow, exit rich. You saw wick, I saw switch. You want flash, I want rhythm. You want now, I plot with wisdom. They rush in, they don't survive. I plant lines, mine come alive. POC shift, I lean back. Value area high, I time that trap. They got hit, full size drop. I didn't speak, I just watched.
I can't do this. I'm so stupid.
You only feel it when it break.
Trying to do this fucking math in my head.
Move like a shadow. Do you move when it shake? Yeah, I got them, no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market did the rest. You got. That's what happen when you rush. You got. I just faded with a hush. I stay ready. You stay loud. You caught feeling. I caught feels. Marcos.
Okay. Okay.
It's hot in here. Not from the sun. From these stop loss fires. Marcos. Hey. Heat map red, I step in cold. Zone get tagged, then it explode. Chart too clean, wrist too froze. You long high, now your bag got sold. TP hit, I don't even flinch. Price got loud, I ain't moving inch. Wick came back, I dropped that pin. Now you stop loss, paying my rent. I don't chase no spike, I trap it. Draw that fib 618, I map it. She said you sleep while it ran, I laugh. Woke up, TP got smacked, just magic. Porsche move clean when the levels align. You throw darts, I draw with spine. He stick blow when the stop loss line. You press buy, I press decline. Top floor view while the haters trip. They scalp noise, I took that flip. Rich a meal ticket, like price on script. He said uptrend, I said don't slip. Heat map red, I step in cold. Zone get tagged, then it explode. Chart too clean, wrist too froze. You long high, now your bag got sold. TP hit, I don't even flinch. Price got loud, I ain't moving inch. Wick came back, I dropped that pin. Now you stop loss, paying my rent.
Cookies in the wood, gusher strain. Chart did numbers, I ain't feel pain. He up $5, I blew out range. One big zone, now we ain't the same. Bentley slide with the VWAP mark. Chart bounced back like a go-kart spark. He said mad fake, then the fib went dark. Then came Wick, then came Spark. AP face match chart precision. I don't need hype, I need incision. They want vibes, I want conviction. He post losses, I post liquidation.
Heat map red, I step in cold. Zone get tagged, then it explode. Chart too clean, wrist too froze. You long high, now your bag got sold. TP hit, I don't even flinch. Price got loud, I ain't moving inch. Wick came back, I dropped that pin.
God damn.
He said he felt heat. He said that's the pressure of math.
feel it when you fade it right. Heat map,
What a goddamn day. Goddamn. What's going on over here? It's already 11:13. God damn.
They said I'm lost in lines, but they bounce right there again.
Boom.
this hit like it's silence. Bricks don't lie, they righteous. Chart too clear, it's guidance. I don't chase moves, I glide it. Price hit zone, I light it. They draw hope, I ride it. She asked how.
I said the math is timeless.
Price hit the 618 like fade. You long the high too late. Woke up in Bali off game. Smoking loud with a chart on a plate. Villa pool view with the VWAP tags. Imaginary line, nah that's fact. Zone got filled, they gas. Why just laugh, refresh, relax. Red box hot liquidation wave. She see charts and call it brave, but I ain't brave, I'm patient made. I let math carve passing waves. This trade feel timeless. Flips it like it's silence. Bricks don't lie, they righteous. Chart too clear, it's guidance.
Boom, boom, boom. The math is timeless, God. I mean, brought a tear to my eye. DJ Marcos got me tearing up. Oh my god.
I'm ghost, Bali breeze, Silk Road, palm trees, screen glow, wick, then go. She asked if it's luck, I said no. Every level drawn, slow, yo, then blow. I feel price, top no cap, big kiss line and snap. She said you cold, I laugh. It's just math, just math.
Wow. Boom, 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 boom.
Wig tapper stop, snatch your lines, hit clean, no chatter. You chased high, I stagger. Lend fade the move, no swagger. Flash that green, then vanish. Stop, run, math, not magic. Every trap you panic while I move, cold and manic.
Boom, 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 boom.
Dash line, float in the void. Yellow glow, they get destroyed. No alerts, I just deploy. Trigger wick, then void the noise. No hype zone, I'm centerfold. Mid-chart masked in silent gold. Fake out highs, I never fold. Just load the fade position code. Price, hit that line, pixel fit. You call breakout, I call quit. Back to mean, I see the script. You see green, then I dip. Buy. Then I dip. Buy. Come on.
Yeah.
Wig tapper stop, snatch your lines, hit clean, no chatter. You chased high, I stagger, lag then fade the move, no swagger. Flash that green then vanish, stop, run.
Interesting.
Not magic, every trap you panic while I move, cold and manic. I see.
Ethan almost certainly has more of these, right? I haven't checked the higher time frame open interest on Ethan in like a little bit, but pretty sure there was like a bunch of areas, right? A lot of head shorts are open up here. I'm surprised if E starts blasting off again. How's this looking? Mm. God, motherfucking damn.
Dash lines hit like clockwork flick. Levels glow and haters trip. They call it love, but it's just mad. Snipe that soul. Clear the path.
I'm so curious for what they just keep going throughout the night. Boom, 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 boom. It's 11:20. Boom, 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 boom.
I've been trading hard, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong. I'm still ghosting every space. They chase with, I fade the high, top shelf gas. That logic fly. I'll be trading high, and they stressing low. One fill hit, now my profit broke. No love, no lie. That clean design, you panic fast. I glide with time. Luxury paranoia, I sip white scream. I don't chase that pump, I fade that dream. Your bag too loud, your chart too green. My entry chill, my zone too clean. Smoke from the wick, I seen that fake. Mass head stalling.
I'm gonna sleep like a baby today. Goddamn. Sleep like a goddamn baby.
You want rush, I want the scan. I've been trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong. I'm still ghosting every space.
What a fucking day.
I fade the high, top shelf gas. That logic fly. I'll be trading high, and they stressing low. One fill hit, now my profit grow. No love, no lies. That clean design, you panic fast. I glide with time. I smoke calm, but the feels come fast. You post charts, I post that fast. RS, I cooked, I fade, I follow.
Life is fucking crazy.
High on hope, I'm high on stats. Your move swing, I count the tracks. You call run, I call revert. You press green, I plan the hurt. TP smack and I don't react, just lean back with the logic pack. This top shelf, not just in raps. I hit zones while you collapse. Car feeling, I car feel. Car smoke, I romance. Stay loud, and let's win. I've been trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong. I'm still ghosting every space. They chase with, I fade the high, top shelf gas. That logic fly. I'll be trading high, and they stressing low. One fill hit, now my profit grow. No luck, no lies. That clean design, you panic fast. I glide with time.
But I'm excited. Aren't you guys fucking? I'm, like, I swear. Is everyone not excited as fuck right now? Is everyone not always excited? God damn. God damn. God damn. Imagine like 6 months from now what's gonna be going on. Who the fuck knows? It's gonna be juicy as fuck though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Especially with some of these alts, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we were measuring this earlier. Okay, okay. I need to eat more than just a banana. All I ate was a goddamn banana. Time is it? I'll get a 30-minute candle. Okay. Yeah, I definitely should make something that actually eats, other than a goddamn banana. Where should we leave this? Where should we leave this play in?
let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it breaking close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean. You hit by cause the candle grew. I watch tape, I already knew. That move's weak, no bit behind. That spike you love, this mine. I don't touch it off first touch. Gotta see if it means that much. VWAP rolling, I stay still. They gamble quick, I hunt the fill. They in fast, I wait for data. One false break and I'm the fader. No confirmation, that's a ghost. They got, I just toast. If a VWAP, let it flip. Don't front run, I don't let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it breaking close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. Sweat it lean, it lean, it lean. Price above, but not for long. No, too strong. Fade that palm, fade that pride. Volume light, I slide. VWAP tested, but it failed. They long the wick, I scale. Traps that perfect, I inhale. You play noise, I play detail. Volume weighted, pressure speaks. I let them chase for weeks. When they scream new highs, that's when my entry sneaks. Wait for VWAP, let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for VWAP, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it break and close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. I lean, I lean, I lean, I lean. Wait for VWAP. Don't guess. Just know. Marcos.
Wow. Woo, woo. Marcos trade. With a hat. Pepper look mad. I'm up 6 figs off a Farcoin bag. Yeah, let's go. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dogs from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Pepper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. Popcat scream when the tape go out. I'm deep in the net like a memmed out child. Don't need white papers, don't need trial. Just pixel frogs and degens pile. Bag too fat, wallet obese. Heavy. Chart go up with 0 P. Gas fee high, but the bag increase. Front run hype like I wrote the piece. Buy low with a GIF on deck. Elon tweet and I clear my check. Snipe them coins, no pause, no sweat. Every pump I swing with tech. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dreams. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. I don't chase, they chase that cat. Popcat moon, I just sat back. NFT face, but a pumping stats. Went from jokes to a Lambo rap. My watch say bye, it's a meme clock face. Got a whiff PFP in a multi-place. Never know what I trade, that's part of the taste. Memcoin sniper with a shadow base. Cold with it, I laugh, they beg. Buy on dip while they lose a leg. High risk plays, but the math still fed. Turn Farcoin gas to a billion thread. Dog with hat, I'm waving a leash. Turn to a milli from none but means. Bong hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. If it's dumb, it's probably gold. If it bark or blink, I'm in. Marcos.
Marcos. Elon's top. Yeah. It's time to light up that hopium.
Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but the top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotions, low that way. Pulled up slow in the matte black whip, they max long highs, now they stuck in the dip. Told them the math, but they moved on the tip, so I twisted their trades in a platinum zip. Champagne cold, but the tape's still hot, they ape that wick, I flip the spot. Market makers copy my plot, while bulls blow bags, I take the lot. Top signals in they tweets, I hedge it deep while they chase repeats. They FOMO buys, I short they feats, now I'm rolling green off their defeat. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but the top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that weight. Hopium loud, but the math too clear. The stops got hit, that's music to ear. I'm deep in the books, I engineer. The trap so slick, it wiped their chair. They call moon, I said mean reversion. Fibonacci slapping with a market excursion. DJ and bulls gotta force submersion. Now that they wrecked, I'm blessed, no version. Cherry wood tray with the bullpack lit. Liquidation candle, that's my hit. They bought the euphoria, I flipped the script. Now I'm twisting their dreams and design a zip. Smoke clouds where the longs once stood. They bought the top, I knew they would. Hopium loud, that's my good. They burn, I earn, understood. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top tick hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlong, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that way. Hey, Marcos, hey, top bar smoke. Hey, the math is the math. Hey, you got again.
That week ain't real. That high. Poor Marcos. They reach for stop. I reach for gains.
SFD at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slip. They long the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit.
God damn.
No excess on site.
God damn. 11:37. I don't know if I'm going to bed. God damn. God damn. Dude, man, this thing is just mega sends every time. What the fuck is this thing? God damn. What the fuck is going on with this thing? I see. Interesting. Boom, 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 boom. Where's my other? God damn, what a day. Bum, 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 bum. Losing my fucking train of thought. What the fuck was I trying to do? Fuck. I need to look something up. Fuck, what was it? God damn. Fuck. I'm stupid as hell.
Marcos in the B-side. We don't chase pumps, fool. We fade them. Bump the math, pyro print. Skirting full of treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we let
4-hour candle soon, okay.
loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. I don't chase no bounces, I don't buy no dreams. I let y'all pump, then I fade them schemes. Math been red like a set on flame. Stop hunt clean, who you think run game? Bugatti parked on Rosecrans stripes. Penthouse high, but the wrist on ice. Ops go long, we laughing back. Got 'em smoked out, candle pack. Ran my fibs, let the chart drip slow. I'm treetop faded, you faded hope. AP bust like a 38 poke. Hit that zone, now your margin broke. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jump in green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. You
say break out, we say bait. We running fast, we lay that plate. SL hit, that's chain reaction. You bought fake highs, we fade with passion. B-chain swing when the field get placed. Double R drift like it's past your pace. You beg for trend, we pray for range. And bleed the top like a Paru name. She asked why red, I said that's clean. Red Rari deep like treetop lean. Back this red but the profit's green. B on my belt but the charts stay mean. Treetop fader, sketching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta but math get high. Treetop fader, sketching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta but math get high. We end them, chart get jumped. We slide in silence. Treetop, Vega, Marcos.
God damn, god damn. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm going to bed at midnight today.
En la golden Marcos. Yeah, true out is that soon. She don't miss, hit the zone exacto. Golden pocket, body perfecto. She pull back deep like retroceso. Then ride that wave, sin pretexto. Cadera mueve como price and trend. Bounce down clean, Fibonacci bend. She dip like algo, grip like pen. And that entry click we send. No adivino, I calculate. She ride my line, I match her rate. She don't chase green, she make it bait. And when she drop, I seal that fate. Drop it low, and la golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. It is so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Yo la marco, ella entra en swing. Body moving like candles bring. Wig so deep, got a hedge that's in. Stop so tight when I trade that thing. No lo dejo pa' después. Back destin on a dress. Price just math and she impressed. She scream Marcos a finesse. No emoción, solo precisión. Ella baila como la cotización. Breakout clean, she love the zone. And when she drop, that's home. Drop it low, and la golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. Wrist so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Lo marco lento, lo siento exacto. Él no adivina, él hace el acto. Baila pa'l trade, no por contrato. Golden touch, yo me impacto. Ella no se mueve por suerte.
Are we circling back around already?
Golden pocket. Marcos.
Are we already fucking double backing on these bitches right now? Is that what we're doing? God damn. Doing them dirty. God damn.
It's real fun. It's real feel. It's real math.
Yeah, they think I'm trading on test net. Cause I make it look too clean. Said no one get rich that fast. Must be sitting
Foot on their throats if we start doing that. God damn, right? Motherfuckers are bullying out here. Bullying your shit.
outside in the sea still warm. Penthouse trays on my wrist got storms. They hit margin, leave 'em alone. They need signals, I move calm. Balance.
Got no chance.
You still pray, I back this pass. My edge live no fake.
This is what we were talking about, right? The fucking train. This is the fucking train we were talking about when talking about careful shorting this shit. This motherfucking thing. God damn, right? Motherfuckers are getting ran through right now. Goddamn.
That stop too clean. That entry's light. They said you see me. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming. Woke up clear 5 figures. Didn't even leave that villa. One click trade got triggered. Chart came down, I drill her. They think it's capped. I let them talk. While I withdraw the vaults and yachts. You post games, I post results. You hold hopes, I hold the pulse. Wrist on gold, book on stealth. Draw down low, account got health. They crowd forms, beg for help. I fake candles, print from wealth. Ain't no demo, this real depth. I don't bluff, I just press left. You see a wick, I see a check. You ride fear, I ride finesse. They think it's test. But it's all real, live. Big trade hit, bang. Then I sign deals, done. Stress on charts, them. I'm just
Curious if we like swing fail here or not.
the math too ill.
Possible.
Think it's fake, nope. It's just that tight. That stop too clean.
30-minute candle about to swing fail potentially.
Said you see me. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming. This ain't test net.
I doubt it, and if it does,
This ain't love.
I'll just get ran over eventually.
This is math.
Interesting to see it though. Boom, 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 boom.
Ooh, yeah. It's not luck, baby. It's not vibes. It's numbers. It's me, Marcos. You over there just pressing and praying. I'm over here just stacking and playing. You call it magic, I call it playing. I don't guess I understand. You trade feelings, I trade flow. You swing wild, I go slow. You chase pumps, I let them go. Then hit my level, take that glow. Chart said dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. She said, how you know when to go? I said, girl, the chart said so. She moved like price, that fib just hit. I swing that trade, then grip them hips. Golden pocket, that's her pace. Stop loss tight, no time to waste. Risk real light, reward insane. She ride my math, I ride the wave. Chart to dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stacks. Math too smooth, now throw it back. Numbers don't lie, they just lead. Follow that line, then plant the seed. Risk it all, now I let it breathe. Now price hits sweet like summer breeze. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stacks. Math too smooth, now throw it back. No stress, no cap, just charts, beats, and math. Marcos.
Yeah.
Marcos trains.
Yeah. They study in the class, but the math too clean. Let's go. market make us mad, they can't touch the plan. I lay down feels like a beach with sand. Big orders led from the top to the land. They clicking in fear, I type with one hand. Extensions long like the clip on the stick. 7/8 tapped and the profit came quick. They plot on my downfall, still I uplift. They tryna front run, but I'm running the script. Ready to fill, yeah. I'm deep in the charts, got the sniper skill. Scope. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Post it. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that V-Walk thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield. Math hit me like a Bentley swing. Cuban link heavy when I step in the lane. They reload clips, but I reload brains. Got the fifth game raw, got them stuck in pain. Spoof they orders, make them think it's real. Hit with size, now they beg for a deal. They don't want smoke, they just want a pill. But Marco's cooking filet with the steel. Envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got a sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that V-Wop thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield.
She don't move off vibers now. She move off Fibonacci. Golden pocket, baby, come ride the retrace with me. Oh. I see you watching from the 0.5, but I know you want that deeper dive. I don't just move for any touch, but baby, you rate me just enough. You wait for pullbacks, I love that pace. You trace my curves like a fairy trace. I drop it low, right on the zone. That golden pocket, I call it home. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. Marco's fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Roll 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in a golden pocket, yeah. I don't chase moves, I let them breathe. But you retrace like the air I need. Body aligned like fit precision. You hit that level, I make decisions. Confluence, hips and candles match. Signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you trend so mean. And you bounce like you know what the market means. Back test my love, it's proven stats. You read my mood like you read those graphs. I don't fake breaks, I stay legit. You don't get caught, you time to dip. You my zone, my setup clean. Scaling slow, then let it steam. Pull me in with that deep precision. Your body's math and I trust the vision. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. Waco's back switch, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. A Paul 16, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in the golden pocket, yeah. You don't chase highs, you wait to give. You don't short love, you let it live. We trade and sync, we move with grace. Golden pocket, our favorite place.
It's Marcos. You feel that? That's your liquidation. Got him.
I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your wrath. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. Fib levels tattered on my Tesla doors. I front run wells while you chase whores. Emotion your sleeve, I see the pause. I fade your tears and cop some more. Liquidy sweep, I eat your soul. That wick up top, I plan that role. Market maker envy, I stole they code. Risk reward got me in control. Stats in my blood, I don't see red. You dream of profits, I wake up fed. Your candle closes my Rolex thread. And your stop loss, just pay my spread. I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your wrath. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. You bought resistance, that's cute, bro. I took the other side, I run the show. And balance filled, that's your grave. Institutional flow, I surf the wave. V-word bounce, I catch that flight. You revenge trade, I sleep at night. You scout noise, I chart precision. Your broken dreams fund my decisions. Delta stacked, I see the lean. My P&L's fat, your screen's just green. But that green turns red, then you cry. I'm sipping Bordeaux while you ask why. Math don't lie, but you do. You chase pumps, I move through. Your margin cool, buys me suits. Your liquidation paid my pool. I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your rafts. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. From Fibonacci to Black Skull's dreams. I don't chase, I scheme. Wall Street, scared of the king. And retail, you just fuel the machine. Got 'em.
Closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touched that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean.
Fibonacci all through her waistline. She twists like chart when I place mine. 618 got a curve so fine. Golden pocket, now she call it divine. Late night trade while the moonlight drip. Price approach slow, I don't even trip. Patience stack while the wrist got drip. Waves on screen while we take
Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touched that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean. She know I don't move unless the fib align. Trade that plan, then we sip that wine. Risk real low, but the P&L shine. Same math make the stars combine. Palm trees swaying while she watch me chart. Told her chill, let the math do part. She believe now, say I play it smart. Cause price came back like it knew my heart. You was doubting the lines I drew, but now price kiss it just like you. It's all numbers, but it feels so true. She say, Marcos, this math feel new. Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touched that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean.
Don't chase it, let it come.
stack, I sit. They longer with the crowd ain't quit. Fools, molten fake, I don't bite. Nah, just one trap and candle flight. I ain't pressed, I dim the light. Let price come back, I strike at night.
Don't follow hype. Just watch the math. The crowd will fade. You choose the path. No rush, and I wait my turn. Let it build, let candles burn. Pulse stays calm, the screen might flash, but I don't move till numbers match. No rush, and I know my zone. It comes to me, I'm in my throne. Noise outside, but I stay still. My chart speaks, I let it fill. Math don't lie, you just
My thing's muted the whole time. It's so stupid. I was so stupid. Bum bum. How much of that was muted? Was that all muted, or I remember just like
Blood drip, trend flip.
let's go hear this and Fondo.
Market looking hella bearish. Broke that lowest parish. Mac confirmed.
Oh, it's been muted. Damn, 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 damn.
Dump. Boom. Volume spike that slump. Crack. Break down clean, no pump. Nah. Cut through charts like Trump. Marcos
Damn, damn.
lower, hotter, not lean. Short. TP stacking in green.
Anyways, basically TLDR. What was I was saying about this? For both trades either way, at this point you gotta just be able to do on the fly, right? See what's going on like the medium time frame and the low time frame, what the data's looking like. We start to lose some of these levels of interest or reclaim them, etc. Blah blah blah. Order flow. Look at all that good stuff.
Cut through charts like Trump. Price melting, no floor. Free fall.
Boom 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 boom.
Back test, I ignore. That fake bounce on shore. Markers on guessing measures. High till a low, pure pressure. 702.
Yeah, I'm out here. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go chill, relax, unwind. Let me see around my computer's already looking at this stuff all day, so I'm trying to just relax, you know, take it easy. So I'm doing a quick chat shout out to Harris, shout out to Olympic, shout out to Viral Media, shout out to Trader Sosa. I think that was it, right? And shout out to OG Miho. I'm out here though. I'm gonna go chill, look at this stuff. Maybe we'll get back in the short if it starts to look a bit stronger. For now, I'm just gonna chill. Also gonna be seeing what these alts do, if they get any kind of like a little decent pullback or not. Might add back to some of these trades that we were in talking about earlier. But yeah, I'm out here. I'm gonna go fucking relax. Later. Goddamn.